Hey my FK gang, welcome back to Fergie's Kitchen. If you happen to just be browsing today and you run into my channel, welcome. Please like and subscribe. Guys, today's menu, I'll be making some peri-peri jackfruit with some pasta. And here's my ingredients for today. I'll be using some tomato sauce, roasted. Here's my olive oil. This is my peri-peri sauce. As you can see, mild and hot and everything is there. And this is my jackfruit. We eat jackfruit a lot in Jamaica. And this is my pasta. I'll be doing some gluten-free pasta. Here is my seasoning for today. My Crayola, garlic powder, my spike, garam, masala, paprika, cumin, and I'll be using some chickpea flour, some fenugreek, lemon, and ginger. So that's my ingredients for today, guys. And I'll see you in a minute. Okay, guys, I'm about to begin. So here is my jackfruit. It's a 20-ounce can of jackfruit. I'm gonna pour 2 cups of water. I'm gonna use 1 teaspoon of garam masala, 1/4 of a teaspoon of my spike. Guys, if you don't have spike, just use salt instead, all right? I'm gonna use 1/2 teaspoon of garlic powder. Guys, I'm gonna put this to boil on high for 6 to 7 minutes. And then I'm going to lower my heat to medium and make it boil for another 7 minutes. So total 14 minutes on the stove top. So guys, I'm going to dry roast my chickpea flour. 1 cup over medium heat, about 7 to 8 minutes. And I'm going to be stirring it every 2 minutes, all right? So guys, avoid your flour to start smelling nutty, all right? So you don't want it to burn. Just roast your flour. So guys, I'm just shredding my jackfruit. You can use a fork or you can put it in a food processor, all right? Okay guys, so I'm gonna season my jackfruit right now. So this is my shredded jackfruit, all right? So now I'm gonna use 1/2 teaspoon. And guys, just so you know, this is my menu, my signature. So as time goes by, sometimes I feel like adding something differently that I think would work. So guys, I'm gonna put 1 tablespoon of olive oil. So guys, with about 2 tablespoons of olive oil, I'm gonna put these little babies in and brown them on each side for about 2 minutes each. A total of like 7 minutes. All right, and I'll see you. So guys, I'm gonna add around a cup. This is the lemon herb, 2 tablespoons. garlic medium, and the hot. Guys, I'm gonna have this cook for like 2 to 5 minutes, and we're all done. Here's the pasta. Cook your pasta according to the direction, all right? So guys, we're at the end of another segment, and I'm here to present Fergie's signature peri-peri meatball jackfruit with pasta. Guys, that's my signature dish. This is my signature dish. Just remember, if you see it anywhere, check the date. This is delicious. I hope you guys enjoy. I feed the body, the mind, the heart, and the soul. Today's scripture will be coming from Psalms 97, verse 12. Rejoice in the Lord, ye righteous, and give thanks at the remembrance of his holiness. And from Fergie's Kitchen to you guys today, everything has beauty, but not everyone sees it. I hope you see the beauty in everything. Fergie loves you. Thank you for watching today. Bye-bye.